Market update on the 7th. Doing it kind of late today. I've been traveling all day. Missed half the market. Unfortunately, missed this big move. I probably would have been long, but the only part that I got a little bit wrong was this part right here. I thought there was going to be looked like a B wave and then a C wave over here and then take off. Instead, we just took off from here pretty much. But it now looks like A, B, and then 1, and this is actually the second wave, where I had that as A and I had it bouncing as a B wave, which did not happen. Instead, we went straight up, and we got 1, 2, and it looks like, after looking at the chart, that we just finished a third wave. Excuse me. So we got 1, 2, 3. So if you do 1, 2, we have 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 3. And so I'm looking for a slight pullback tomorrow. Maybe to like 396.50 or so. And then we'll get a last move higher to probably the top of what I've been saying, right here at the very top. So we have A, B, and then C wave up here. The 50% retracement's right at the very top. If we break it, that wouldn't be surprising either. We could even go to the very top of this, which is at 404.40, which is actually the 1.23 fib of the A wave. So if we pull this up here, actually it's like 405. Any of those are possible. It just kind of depends how long they want to draw the fifth wave. But I'm pretty sure that we finished the third wave today, because if you take the 1.61 fib of this, you'll see that we've just pretty much topped over that and then pulled back a little bit on it. So I would maybe expect a little bit of consolidation in the morning, maybe not, but my targets are anywhere from the very top of wave A to 404.27. I think it's very unlikely we hit 408. And if we move over here too, we have some resistance here at 405.77. I think it's unlikely that we break the top of this. So really, your targets are anywhere from 401.58 to 405.77. And remember, this is only the fourth wave. If we zoom out here on the 4-hour time frame, we can see that we can use the fibs as well. Remember, the A wave hit the 0.38 fib perfectly. So I would say most likely we're just going to double top right here at 401.50. It's really unlikely we'll come to 405 either. That's a 50% retracement if this is a 5-wave move. So yeah, just look for 401.50. That's probably the most likely. It could go a little bit below that too, because you also got to remember that this B wave went past the end of the third wave by basically like $1.75. So we could top out at 399.75 too. That's a possibility to make them equal. So A and then B lower than that, and then C lower than A. So anywhere from 399.75 to 401.50 is the most likely. Very unlikely we get past that all the way up to 405.77. And I would say a very, very slim chance we go even higher than that. So that's pretty much SPY for tomorrow. Just watch, I would just watch, where would it invalidate it? Pretty much can come all the way down here to the 50% retracement and still be valid for a move higher. But I wouldn't want it to really go below 395.27. So a good pullback to 396.50 and then a pump to 400 would be the most likely scenario. On the VIX, it looks like we have A, B, and then we have a 5-wave move lower. So we have 1, 2, 3. Pretty much perfectly aligns with SPY. So we'd expect a little bit of a pullback and then a move down here. This is pretty much a double top. I would look for somewhere around 23.50 to be the bottom. And then we should get a move higher, what I've been talking about, to minimum of 33.09 here in the next like week or two, I would say, and then that should give us enough enough momentum on VIX to get us down here to the fifth wave. We should break this low of 390 and probably hit about 380. So on the daily time frame, did we ever get a green candle yet? Yes, we did. We have the green candle already. That's what I was talking about in the last video. I wanted to see a green candle on the daily, and we finally got it. So 1, 2, 3, 4, and expect a fifth wave down. If we somehow do break the 405.77, then there is a possibility it still is ABC, and this is a B wave. But I would say I'm leaning towards a 5-wave move at this point. Dollar, I haven't looked at it all day, but I'm guessing it dropped. Maybe not. Let's see. Yep, the dollar started dropping pretty significantly too, almost a dollar down. I'm not going to try to guess where the top is for the third wave because I've been wrong every time on that, but I would say that the expanded flat could still possibly happen, but again, I'm not going to try to guess on that until we actually get a significant move down. Besides that, not really that much to go over. I would just look for 401.50. Make sure we hold about 395, maybe a slight dip in the morning and then a move higher. Not sure how that's going to work with Powell. Maybe we dip going into Powell for the fourth wave, then we move higher after he talks. That'd be my best guess. But we'll have to see in the morning. I will do another update video tomorrow. But good luck on the trading. I really wish I would have traded today because if I would have known that was a third wave coming, I could have bought some calls before I took off. But I was still thinking we were going to come down a little bit of ways, and we did not. So anyway, good luck tomorrow. I'll put another update tomorrow after market closes.